Today, we are going to discuss a very interesting topic: is robot dangerous for us? The advent of robots has revolutionized the world, but with this innovation comes the fear of whether it is dangerous for us or not. So, let's dive into the topic and explore if robots pose a threat to humanity. Firstly, let's discuss the potential dangers that robots can cause. Robots can be programmed to perform tasks that are dangerous for humans. For instance, robots are used in nuclear power plants to perform tasks such as inspecting and repairing equipment. Robots are also used in the military for dangerous missions such as bomb disposal. However, if these robots malfunction, it can cause severe harm to humans. Secondly, there is the fear that robots might take over jobs that are currently done by humans, leading to unemployment. This has already happened in some industries such as manufacturing and assembly lines where robots are used extensively. This can cause economic instability and social unrest, leading to potential danger for humans. Thirdly, there is the risk of robots being hacked or programmed for malicious purposes. Hackers can use robots as a tool for cyber attacks, causing damage to critical infrastructure and systems. Robots can also be programmed to cause harm to humans, leading to catastrophic consequences. However, on the other hand, robots have brought immense benefits to humanity. Robots are being used in healthcare to perform surgeries with more precision, reducing the risk of human error. Robots are also used in search and rescue operations, where they can reach places that are difficult for humans to access, increasing the chances of saving lives. In conclusion, robots can be dangerous, but the potential risks can be mitigated by implementing safety measures and regulations. While there are potential risks, the benefits of robots cannot be overlooked. Robots have the potential to transform various industries and improve human life in unimaginable ways. So, we need to embrace this technology while ensuring that we are safe from any potential danger. Thanks for watching, and please share your thoughts in the comment section.